Got a big dog for y'all today, the Fridge 72, heading down to the great state of Texas. This one is all loaded up just right, so let's check her out. Now up front here, we've got one of our 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryers. Guys, these fryers work great. We put them on a lot of our trailers, a lot of our off-road packages too. I mean, let's face it, just about everything is better fried. So get your fryer on your build. Up front here, we did upgrade to a stainless steel front shelf, right? Nothing wrong with wire mesh shelves, guys, but come on now, the stainless is better, all right? We all know it. We'll open up the inside here. Like I said, our Fridge 72. So we are 72 inches long, 24 inches deep, 3 sliding trays inside. So we've got a lot of cook room in here. All the trays slide out. Now this is a reverse flow pit, guys. What that means, we got removable plates in the bottom. Smoke comes all the way across and then back out of the stack. Makes for nice even temperatures inside. You gotta walk a dang mile to close these doors, son. It's a big boy smoker. On the side of the hot box here, we did a folding shelf, so that folds down. Nice little extra shelf. Pull something out of your smoker, boom, set it right there. You're ready to go. Fold it up when you don't need it. Below that, we've got our custom stainless steel logo, of course. As y'all can see it on our off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods down in Texas. Come around to the hot box. So the 72 gets an extra large hot box, still 5 trays, but well over 2,000 square inches of cook space in this unit. Our plate in the bottom is removable, so you can pull that whole plate out and get direct fire in there, or you just crack your daisy wheels open and get it hotter in the main chamber. Makes it very versatile. On the firebox, we did upgrade to an insulated firebox. Still got your fire cradle in there. You can see those D-rings. We got D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Step around back, he did add a rear folding shelf with the butcher paper roll holder. So this folds down, you got a big surface to prep off of. Fold it up when you're done with it, it's like it's not even there. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.